Fabio in the frame.
It's because if you look at it, you point the camera to you.
No, it's in the center.
It's not.
Her hair is so cute.
Give a shit.
Do the intro.
No, can you do it?
No, Fabio, because you never talk.
I don't want to do the intro.
Why are you always on strike? Fabio is always on strike on this YouTube channel, you
I
guys.
want a race.
He wants a race on this YouTube channel.
This is water, ginger, and honey. That's it.
Are you gonna talk in energy?
Do the intro.
You're
What are we
Bunny!
doing?
You're Bunny! Hey guys, it's Yani here, and
Fabio.
we're...
Okay, do you want to be on your own on the video?
No. Hey guys, it's Yani here,
And Fabio.
and we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to the song, the music video from the movie in DAC. It's called Triangulo.
Oh.
Do you know what that means? Is that in Spanish?
Triangle.
Triangle, yeah, so it's called Triangle. I hope there's a subtitle. I'm
Don't
not
need
sure.
a genius to know Triangulo, that means triangle. Like, it's
Well,
the same
you never
word.
know. You never know. Some people don't know. Anyway, so this is the official music video. Nadine Lustre is in it. That's why we're only watching it because of Nadine. Otherwise, we wouldn't watch it.
She's so beautiful in this.
Why is
style.
she so beautiful?
It looks like she just cried.
I like that she's like morena. She doesn't bleach her skin. I love that. Like she's.
How do you know? Maybe
showing
she's very, very black.
Like-
she bleaches, and that's the.
Her and I have the same foundation shade look. Probably. I would like
But her
Nadine.
skin is moisturized, yours is dry.
I would like
a
Nadine
desert.
to do my makeup. Anyway, let's mention the other people that's in it because we didn't. We only focus on Nadine. Sam Concepcion is in it. Nicole Omillo. I don't know who Nicole is, but I do know who Sam is. He won the I think the singing competition with Charisse Pimpeng. Batch of Charisse. I don't know. So this is official music video. The only special announcement, we're traveling the world for next year. If you don't know, if you haven't been subscribed, link down below is our travel channel. Please go ahead, follow that.
I'm not in that channel yet, so you don't need to subscribe.
You're in two vlogs, the PR and then the Pride.
In the travel?
Yeah,
Oh,
Pride.
cool, I'm
yeah, I
famous.
uploaded it there. Anyway, please subscribe, support our travel channel. We're traveling for 1 year and we're all meeting you all everywhere in the world. Anyway, without further ado,
Let's get right into the video.
she's wearing fishnets. Oh my god, she's wearing, you know those apples? The apple sleeves. You know what I'm
nets,
talking about?
yeah.
The styrofoam apple sleeves. That's what Nadine is wearing right now. She's wearing.
No.
She's being environmentally friendly.
You know what she did?
She's
She
reusing, recycle.
She went for a swim and she got caught in a net, and then she was like, "I'm gonna use it."
Oh, because she couldn't take it off, so she just
couldn't-
cut
see
it.
that here is the choker, like is the bottle, the neck of the bottle, and then the rest is the.
And it's a very simple makeup here. Hair is just very simple as well. There's like 2 waves, just 2. The hairstylist counted the wave perfectly. 1, 2. That's it. We'll see the. I don't know what the bottom part of the dress. I also don't know what the song is about. I hope there's a subtitle.
Exactly. How about we play it?
Nope, no subtitle for Fabio. I'll translate it for
I'm
Fabio.
annoyed by this. Ooh.
Ooh.
The platform, rotating platform.
No, they are the table, the Chinese and Filipino table.
Oh yeah. Yeah, all you can eat.
The all you can. Can you behave? Let's stop judging their music video. Oh,
Cute.
that's a big jacket. What
I
did she
saw a
say?
fly.
I saw a fly too. Was that a fly?
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh, there's a fly in the music video.
wait. Was that intentional? Nadine,
Caught.
Nadine, you need to hire me and Fabio, okay? Hire me and Fabio because we have great eyes for this.
Yeah. And within 13 seconds, we caught the mistake right away.
The fly.
Maybe the fly is the main character in this video. We don't know.
It is the triangle fly.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to know what she said with the lyrics so I can translate it for you. So can you shut up?
Please play. Fly still
Oh,
there.
she said I don't want to go on anymore. I don't think it's a fly. I think it's a butterfly.
Oh, maybe.
Aww. Oh, I love that photography.
Wow.
I
I love
guess
the
it-
red and the blue colors. I always love that.
I like
Even when I
that.
see it in pictures.
And it's like she's fading into the darkness. I do like. I think the fly is intentional because there's more fly here.
No, that's rain.
Oh, is
Isn't
it rain? No,
No,
look,
it's
see,
flies.
it's fly. We're not listening to the lyrics. People are gonna hate
I cannot
us.
understand them.
You're going back to your past. That's what she said.
She's so pretty. Oh yeah, it's all like full of flies.
I'm not understanding the fly. Is that, you know how when you burn the leaves or you burn something outside or the campfire and there's like all those debris?
No, I think they just put a pile of shit in the middle of the table and then the
Oh.
flies were just there.
Oh, they're fruit flies. Oh, okay.
But don't you swallow it when you sing?
I feel like the song is about like giving up because she's like, even whatever you do, the heart will always be hurt.
Wow.
So can we just not do it? Nadine can sing.
They're so beautiful and they sing so well.
Oh, I like the song. It's like I'm like jamming over here. But what is Sam's gonna do though? I think Sam is gonna rap. But Sam used to be such a belter though. I remember. I think he used to like sing high notes, but I could be wrong.
Oh, nice outfits.
They said Triangulo, diba? Diba? Triangulo is like three, triangle, and then they
Really?
Angulo gulo is like it's messy. So I think relationship is messy.
It's a messy
all about
triangle.
love. It's all about pain, messy. That's all you need to know about the song. Oh, I think second verse is for Sam. Wait, look at that. I like the contrast between Nadine and the black outfit of Nicole.
Catwoman.
Oh, I thought he was gonna rap. He's singing.
Ooh. I love his voice. I love his
He
swing.
can actually sing. But what I don't understand is why is he wearing a jacket in the Philippines and it's like
I
40
know.
degrees?
I know.
Many people wear jackets in the Philippines, but I understand because the malls, the groceries, they're all
Oh, they have a lot of air conditioning.
air conditioning, so it's very cold inside.
I thought everyone was just going with a fan.
No.
Nice editing.
So they're all just singing about like they're not understanding anything. It's all about messy relationship and this triangle.
So it's him and two girls.
Yes, and I feel like this music video is very budget friendly because they only have two setups. The white wall,
So
the white
far.
background, and then this whole black, blue, and red. So far.
Which is probably the same place. They just turn off the light and
They
put
did.
two. And the flies. Oh, but they have dancers in the back. Ooh.
Triangulo, triangulo, gulo, gulo. Oh my god, that's so smart.
I wanna be in the backup dancer.
And they're not gonna hire you.
Why?
You're white.
But I'm behind the screen.
But you don't even understand the song, so you're not.
It doesn't matter. I will just do this.
So you like the car dealership?
It's messy triangle, so I can do what I
Can we
want.
listen to the song? I like the beat. I think those are them dancing, no?
No, it's more than 3. It's 4.
Oh, okay.
And that's the slow.
Wow,
I
Nadine,
didn't-
high notes.
I didn't know she had that high voice.
Yeah. She can sing. Yes!
Nadine.
Was it Nadine who was belting? I like the song. It's catchy. I wonder if Nadine
really
wrote
cool.
it. Why are we always all about Nadine?
I don't know.
Can we stop? Hey. Angulo gulo.
Wow, look at the back of her top. It's so cool.
Yeah. Oh, did I tell you like Angulo gulo is
Messy.
messy? So look at the music video edit. It's like all messy with all the different filter, all this and all that. It's like messy. See, I get it.
Oh, it's just triangles.
Yeah, but it's messy. Look how that. That's what I get from it. It's art. So they're all messed up. They're all
See the
messy.
dancers in the back, they're just doing this. Wow, harmonizing.
Wow. That's so cute.
Very cute.
What do you think of it?
I like it.
First, like I
They don't
said-
understand shit, but I like it.
I told you, it's all about messy. That's all you need to know about the song.
So I'm gonna call you Angulo Angulo.
Okay, so the music video, I love the setups. I love that Nadine is in it. I love Nadine's outfit. I love Nadine's hair and makeup. And I also like Sam and Nicole's outfits as well. It complements Nadine. So I feel like Nadine is a star here because she's only wearing white.
She's the only one wearing white. Yeah.
I'm kidding. We're just big fans of Nadine. Anyway, what do you think of the song? It's catchy.
I like it. It's catchy. The editing is cool. I like some of the filters they used and those
Yes.
transitions. So I'm curious to know how they did it.
Yes.
I want to learn. And
Anyway.
I did in our videos our triangles.
That's too messy though. Like what they said, it's a messy song. And I like that. I think how long do you think it took them to shot that music video? Because there's only 2 locations, or I think it's only 1 location.
I think it still took them a full day.
A full day. No,
Yeah.
I would give them 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yes.
Jokes. You don't know. You don't know.
Anyway, comment below what you think of the music video and let us know in the comments what other videos you would like us to do next, and we will see you all next time.
Bye, Gulo Gulo.
Bye, Bullock.